So I had a hard time with that one. This one I didn't realize. I thought that it's in the center, but actually it's in this side. And yeah, finally. So it's actually harder than I thought because there's a lot of color. And the one thing that I realize is that I didn't sort the color correctly. Well, maybe the side, the edges, I sort them out, but in the middle, I didn't because there's like a lot of colors, so it's so hard to like um, determine which one is which. So that makes it harder. So yeah, we're almost there. We're almost halfway. So let's continue. All right, so final thoughts about this puzzle. It's actually very nice. The only thing that is really hard is this part because there's like they're almost the same color, and then this part, and then this part. So also this part, they're almost all the same color in the sky. So I had a hard time with that, with those part. Other than that, it took me 2 hours to finish this one. And yeah, um, it's actually awesome. Maybe next time I have to like sort the color correctly. And also this one is the easiest part. This part, this one is the easiest part. Well, maybe because there are like you have your guide there and this one, so that's why it's very easy. So that's the end of this one. See you on my next puzzle.